Mr. President, with that, I move to close the period of amendments. I so move.
Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, with that, I move to approve on second reading House Bill number 4058 under Committee Report number 18.
Is there any objection?
Yeah, you just vote.
Hearing none, the motion is approved. House Bill number 4058 is approved on second reading.
Mr. President.
Yes, Senator Cayetano.
Just for the record, Mr. President, I vote no as of today for the reasons I mentioned a while ago. This is such a great opportunity for a game changer budget. It doesn't really promote rural development. The unprogrammed funds are still there. I mean, I've mentioned it, so if I may just submit maybe a 1-2 pager in a future time. But we commit to work with the majority, especially in the BICAM, to achieve. It's a good budget. Don't get me wrong, Mr. President. I acknowledge the work of everyone. I'm just saying I think we can come up with something that really changes the game for the Filipino people. Thank you for this opportunity.
Let the record reflect that the minority leader, Senator Cayetano, has voted no on the approval on second reading.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move to Senator, may I recognize Senator Joel Villanueva.
Senator Villanueva is recognized.
Mr. President, may I just put into the record, Mr. President, that I'm also supporting the position of the minority leader. Thank you.
So you vote no. So recorded.